So this 1996 Land Rover Defender 110 with a Ministry of Defender AC system installed. You can see the air compressor, suction line. Super cool. It's a good sign. It is currently 74 degrees outside. AC's been running for a few minutes. These are custom air vents that swivel. You can direct the air. And we put this temperature probe in. Secure it in. We're reading 42 degrees. The way I have this AC set up, there's your fan speed control, off, low, medium, high, and push button for the AC. So right now it's just recirculating air. There's the AC.